monil tum jong si isi broken relationship pen ang tan bang lote hala so relationship aphan katini ji aphan mate mo phone ji aphan ke ko mane along pen kirap kilong ke kinang sot bonta lada pinangana tum confused dite ko mat along pen mala kirap kilong mate ko mat selang phan kirap ma hala phan si aning dog dite mate kang hon dog dite lagi jokji this is not correct isi relationship along pen wang pen udhat kapre ka relationship along kilotam thu ji aphan halabang so da lapen halabang so journey mate halabang so for ke important thep pigan madu phanta men tuni da kiju e hormone ke pechong itar mane isia relationship along pen wang pen hala so relationship aphan kadini jia phan ke madu phanta use electric nang puthot ke hala phan ning dok unelo mate nang kai pen kateni pamelu konse nang ka prega life along dam nang je bas break up dalu poaman komane jong senang phan nang care do help nang pi mari apor nang pidun plote nang alang long relationship do nang pule nang kethan kali lagi jong sina aso relationship to kok pusidami mo phila sonse mandet puje nang jong sin nang pasalam overlo mati tingni thailu plote present ke interest avidet po uthot break up to da nason ke maintain ta claim der